At this point in the semester, wrapping up things, when we get back from Thanksgiving break, there's only 6 weeks left of our fall semester. And so it's really important that both parents and students are aware of the student's current progress. Just because Fuel Education doesn't issue zeros as students are behind schedule, we don't want any surprises or upset students or parents of miscommunication come middle to end of January when their son or daughter went from an A, B grade to an F because they didn't finish the class. So to prevent any confusion, I like to snapshot this screen here and include this in my progress check-ins when I email students and parents. In the email, gives a breakdown, and I send that right to the students and parents to explain what all these columns mean. So the average column is the current grade, percent complete. That number at this point should be 65% or higher. If they're anything lower than that, they're probably behind track, but you can verify that through the pacing guide to compare the two. And this grade column, here's the important part. If this student did not submit any more assignments moving forward, and they would be issued zeros for the rest of the class, this is what their grade is going to be for their semester. That marking period 1 and 2, the same grade repeated twice. So I just want to make sure students and parents are aware of that and finish strong and make the next 6 weeks count. So if you could relay that message in your progress check-ins, just so have open communication and everybody's on the same page.